Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? I'm Josie. I'm a storyteller. If ever you want to share your story, inbox with TikTok, Josie24 with TikTok, and then I will give you a number. I'm gonna record that story because of you're going through something difficult that you cannot share with your family or friends or colleagues. So hit me up. When I was in India. Okay, sharp. Story time. Yenina. Hey, Nensane Masonte. I just wanted to share my story and vent in amabandla. They are not used to be like this. So hona le Satan tseneng go dikrekeng and satlina la Satan o lina la ha ke chelete. The issue here ke chelete. So usisi ayilesa sikhathi kudala ne bekuna this thing ukuthi kuba nezimvuselelo like kuba namatende like maybe kuza pastor from maybe let me give an example maybe like mruto ko Mamelodi ne ubetha tent ko Soshanguve and then kuba nemvuselelo for the whole week like trying to attract abazalwane like ukuthi abantu bazisonto and stuff like that one. So I shows bekunemvuselelo like section yethu. So me and my friends were like no asamai like ringo krekeng cause like khala magatara ama guitar and stuff like that. So uthi like bekudonsa vele uhlele endlini kube nomuntu ohlabela engihlabelela kamnandi bekudonsa vele from endlini uzo attend noma ufuna ungafuni because of like that angelic voice uzoyiza umuntu ahlabelela. What I was I sikhukani ke nabangani bamseke siyalapho ke sithi siyemvuselelweni. What I was just feel lapha na kube mnandi man ngiye ku Tuesday iqale Monday itende bali yenze Monday ecala Monday night I Tuesday vele ngiye uthi like kube mnandi the worshiping team kube monate. I was just like I enjoyed myself first night. Second night I was like no I'm going. Second night manginya so kuna this brothers mina life ile masibhekana sithi sizingani kulobona like rate si Germany nje masibonana bona uthi hayisonto vele liqhubeke lingene vele liphela maliphela ubrothers vele afika us introduce no my name is what ngisafundela ukuba umfundisi siyabonga ukuthi nizile uthi aze like kule group yiwo but kube umuntu ukuthi interact nabo but kube ukuthi athi uyabonga ukuthi bazile. No problem. Sihambe athi ngicela ukuthi kusasa ngibuye phela ni invite ama family members di chomi di colleagues di student lenkrekeng. What I was sure beyangasimfundisi walelo alemvuselelo but he was part of the team yabafundisi because naye uthi bekafundela ukuba umfundisi. What I was sure no problem. The following night banonke day 3 ke haya he mangiya brothers felt ukuthi vele umemnyango ubulisa wonke umuntu angenayo. So it's how you came ngicela ukuthi ubuye yabona uthi ngithi hayi vele bengizoza yabona uthi like start like a small conversation at after church ngicela ukubona uthi no problem awushozi nako like ke le third year ko university like of course enikeyenza so like but I make time ukuthi ngiyayi imvuselelweni because ake baxofeta ke part e. What else was I don't want to lie. First time ngibona masizingana ngamehlo like nina ngishapile kahara and kana ko like I didn't have anybody empilweni yami bengi singile. So guy like each and every time ngicala kushaya bo 3-4 like I'm looking forward to ukubona guy. So masingeni sonto laphela guy like was like okay igama lakubani in orabulela awusuzirabulela sa communicator kumnandi brothers was like ngicela ukuthi ungiphi number yakho hayi or awusuzike move number brothers vele mangifike endlini angifonele athi ufike right na ngithi ngifike right I okay no problem. So guy like kube umuntu uthi angichecka like siya communicator but zange like anishele or one rata or anything. So kube umuntu uthi angichecka mangizobhala ubhale kahle yabona uthi hayi until last day ngivuselele kuba last day ngivuselele like ngaya vele ngelast day mangifike last day hayatshela ukuthi yena uyahamba yena kahlali laphana like bakososhanguve ngishiphi example basesoshanguve yena uhlele Mamelodi so they are going back to Mamelodi nafunda uyenza in route so batla communicator one day maybe batla kopana for breakfast lunch or dinner sometime yabona uthi no problem awushozi kube ukuthi vele ugayi uyahamba ngingabi nenkinga. So after vele say idlulile vele imvuselelo a week after angifonela ugayi I'm around area yenu is it possible if I can see you yabona uthi awusosikisa hana vele ngithi emangezwe ukuthi uthini ngila inceke yenkosi ithini kahle kahle yabo uthi asifika lapha umuntu vele angangisheli angibuza njani the course engiyenzayo ngiyoceda nini in am I applying for my internship like conversations ejwawo ngisibuza kanti nomfana lo uyasaba ukungishela or like ungibona as a friend na wabona alright awushoze vele sicoce ufike isikhathi ukuthi vele ngihambe hayi sivalelisane naye brother sahambe nami ngibile endlini or awushoze like umuntu every time uyangifonela but akasho ukuthi we are friends we are lovers or anything akanishela lokungishela uthi ngize ngicede hayi ngiyenze i4th year yami ke still brothers still usamfonela every time yangichecka manganamali phela ungitshele ngizokupostanyana if I do have it what hayi ibe kanjalo indaba so uthi one day ngimbuza ukuthi kanti mina nawusini are we lovers siyathandana or are we friends abona athi no phela mina nginceke yenkosi so I'm not allowed to date yet but bengathanda ukuthi in the near future gore ukaba girlfriend yakhe if like holina ka gore ke uthi ngibona ukuthi lo muntu lo umuntu honest like imotho chabang too much so ube honest nami ukuthi I do want to but not now I'm not allowed to date but if the time is right mina now sizo date if ever ungakhona ukungilinda nibe uposition ukuthi ngadate nawe ngiyacela or awushozi okay sharp sicela communicate but like vele zamathalo sizibekele side communicate work in but uthi mangicela ukwenza i4th year yami sengiyaqala ke ngimaketha umsebenzi ngiyamaketha ukuthi umuntu angikhulekise yangithi print ama CV ithela mates ku class ngirapela sivuke sithandaze sifast senze yonke into or awushozi bengivela esikolweni I was fresh from university. This big company yangiqasha yangipha like opportunity ukuthi ngenze internship ko thing. Or I was like ngifila gore like ngihole miracle nje because of la bangiqashe khona it was the biggest company bengeze ngicabanga ukuthi mina myself as ngizothi usisibani mara olebohang na eskile lebohang bekakasi ngiqashe uthi ngimbonga ukuthi yo ngiyasebenza lapha yangenza internship icompany so uthi abe excited arobona uri matlamudimo abereka bang if ever you like put everything ko mudimo duza udito bereka one uthi naye update like course yakhe bekayenze ukuba umuntu or afetse and then ukayivele kube ukuthi umuntu ukuthi ufuna like the piece job enyana ikilo abona ukuthi akhona sustain icareer yakhe yaburutu or le humodi piece job uyahamba preacher like maka nesikhathi wa preacher like ke motho like anyaka ngobereka gore mndimo amerikishe uthi awushozi ha unyaka uphele phela ngisebenza lapha yana uthi hayi awushozi icompany bona ukuthi lo muntu lo like ke asset company ngarena ubona so uthi awushozi bangithumele to another account outside this country bangirumele mo gore kuira ngifuna expose ukusebenza ukwenzani lapho for a program for 12 months uthi ngaya outside the country was excited angithandazise athi remember keep yourself clean uskarobalana uskaratana unahane mudimo in everything if uba tempted vuli bible thandaza and stuff like that concentrate into bakubizele yona lapha yana ubakhombe ukuthi wena ngwana mdimo and excellence ke part of your name awusizi or like beke phela ka orapela beke phela ka bible beke phela ka di quotes tsa bible every single day because of brothers asithi to brother ke brother Mokoena because of brother Mokoena rawushoze ngayihamba ngayiceda i12 months ngabuya sengiskili ke ukuthi company mangifika bangithatha permanent ngaba permanent employee on top of vampal promotion on top of more or rawushoze imali bengihola bethi like boholi chelete ubona uthi vele bengimtshela everything Pastor Mokoena ke motsa everything I've got a promotion manje sengihola sona hey like the excitement in yabona or awushozi brothers ne bigana matohola ubeka wapusha uthi brothers one time angelo athi ke motorobong bengicela ukopana bekhopela ukopana lwena uthi awushozi ngingali because of like umuntu sengicommunicate naye isikhathi sifonini so nilina kade umhore ke mmona wabona uthi hayi vele sihlangane town masihlangane town vele uBrothers vele uchintshije watseba ke like ukofomo dala ngingamboni lo muntu lo uchintshile and now like a maturity it's on another level ubulela ukuthi it's serious asa joke around. So okay, I was like to me, you know what, Lebogang hayi uthi athi Lebogang mina bengifisa ukuthi ube intombi yami, but I'm not going to date you for you ukuthi ube intombi yami fanele wamukele iproposal yami ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi ube umfazi wami. What else was it? I've kept myself clean for yonke le minyaka, and if it wasn't for him bengizikhiphe clean bengizohamba ngichitha ngijola ngenza yonke into, but because of like the way being encouraged again, the way nantrust again, like it made me believe ukuthi we are meant to be together. What else was vele ngali nivume vele athi okay, I've saved up imali for ilobola, so bengicela uinvite basikini ebandleni next week, and then uze prepared, look nice, and then kuzoba ne ceremony to introduce abantu ukuthi sekatohaba nongoba brother Mokoena ketoba ntate Mokoena. Hayi uthi vele ngifike vele ekhaya vele ngibatshela ukuthi no, I've met someone and umuntu lona ufuna ukwazi ekithi, but indlela bazoyicala ngayo soyicala ngasebandleni ba introduce ukuthi uthola umfazi and then khani basekibo bazoletha amantwendwe. What I shows ifamily yami kuba umuntu understand ukuthi especially futhi umuntu obandla like babe excited because of like career yakhe iyathoma, and nami ngiyadinga ukuthi impilo yami ishiphe yona, no, because of I'm getting a bit older. What? Hayi ukusande ifike bekibo brother Mokoena bafike bekithi bafike sihlale phambili basiphakamise Mokoena phakame asho ukuthi uNkulunkulu umbonise umfazi umsadi okena Lebogang phakame ngephambili kufike phambili ku introduce each other, the family and my family and his family, kube ukuthi ngiyambuzwa ke kube ngathi like ranyalanyana mara kokrekeng kilobona like umurutu wayenyalisa mara kokrekeng. Yabona abazalwane they will understand the procedure, yabona ukuthi kwenzakalani, yabona. So uthi mayisuka lapho vele ibandla umfundisi vele hoste ifamily to ne family kibo brother Mokoena vele for lunch ukuthi sizochubeka kanjani, bayacela isandla sami ukuthi bafuna ukungilobola in permission from the family naye yavuma kuba idantile ukuthi hayi vele brothers nangisengiyoba inkoduzo kwa brothers. What else shows you brothers bekasevile imali. Hayi vele kufika isikhathi sokuthi vele isikhathi selobola brothers akhipha ilobola anse everything ebayibatla ngohayi yalobola wise iphele vele indaba, and then kuthiwe sizoyenza i-celebration, sisazobuza i-celebration azangube like umcimbi lo like only my family members apheka lokudla okuncane ukhiphe amalobolo yaphela like that, azangoba celebration like the way abantu bayenza ngakhona manje. Well okay, I'll show him. Hayi kube ukuthi mina leso sikhathi angisahlale kithi senginendawo yami ngihlala endaweni yami. Ubrothers remember ukuthi akasebenzi wenza uyi-radio piece job, but now sofuna ukuba full time route, so abaxobereka. Or awushozi leso sikhathi mina ngihlala eflatini uthi ngingabi nenkinga awushozi ngimtshela ukuthi okay you can come move in nami ke as long as usafuna uku practice ubamurudi, it's fine, you can come stay at my place because of now we are one. Or I was umuntu vele athuthe azohlala nami kuflete. Original mentality ya hore I'm building nona umuntu lona siyakha, so kumele ukuthi supportane because ungisupportile kile student and supporta kile an intern like dithapelo tsa like ways of encouragement and everything, like if it wasn't for him bengengi like getting pushed so hard. So like bekibona umuntu like he's really meant for me. Uthi mahlala lapho ilukuthi yena every time uyaphuma uyenza presentation ufuna indawo la ngakho khona ibandla uyenza ama presentation. What else shows mina untate Mokoena like ke motho ukhona ubuwa like angakuconvince ukuthi uyithathe imali yakho uinvest, ukhona ukhuluma uthi beyahamba like kuma small companies acela like the donation chawa hakereke stuff like that, yabona acala athi you know what, we need to find a place la kuma new developments khona ukuthi sis introduce sikhona kwakha ibandla. What else shows angatshela ukuthi la behlala khona like la behlala khona eflatini bekunama ama-developments like ekudenenyana nalahlala khona la beba-developa bebakha khona izindlu lezi zabo either you buy stand or ukhetha i-option ukuthi bakwakhele like ibond yabona or awushozi ahambe aye lapho ayokhuluma nama-developers afuna indawo ukuthi ufuna ukwakha isonto bamthumele from different places kodi-ofisini kukayikayi or awushozi he was pushing ukuthi ufuna indawo kuleya development entsha athi masingaba nebandla lapho like ibandla lethu lingakhula nganzozobala cause abantu abasha kuba yisonto elisha siyothola soba nebase enhle yabona uthi aphusha aya kodi department of kai or awushozi umuntu onasinatshelede ne but the way bekaphusha ngakhona like bungabelieve ukuthi unayo or like umuntu athola like a small bamupha like a small piece uthi ama department bakhuluma nabantu nama committees wale la kodwa wakho khona babopha just a small place ukuthi okay when you can build here or awushozi nakitsi udirile jwang umuntu but like wa convince everyone wathola makathola wathi you know what we need to build and angeke sikhona ukwakha because of akina chelete so wena ngicela ukuthi lekhanga uyothatha i-loan ebank or awushozi na like at the back of my mind I'm like he's my husband after all so if asa support ke uto support ke ma or awushozi ngazifaka esikoloteni ngayothatha ke i-loan wakha ibandla or awushozi ngaqala kwelapha kwakampela kwayenziwa i-structure uthi awushozi kwakhiwa like i-structure baqala nge-roof and then bafaka like the tipi modified then kwaba open all around because of imali esiyaphela but structure like a roof bebayahile and then bahalika lithipi all around ukuthi manje sekumele ukuthi bazofaka yama bricks in between nama steel poles bebawayenzile but awushozi umuntu like beka ngoshipa like bekangithanda like bekele number 1 ya everything even if saqala libandla la kule new development sebaqale khona ukuhlala abantu like bengu like umuntu ebantwini like bazokhuluma if ever it wasn't for Msaliaka ngeris na 1 2 3 if ever it wasn't for Msaliaka ngeris thing more lenkukte like I was that wife to him and even though like kikena korikoluto bengakufeel lo because of the love live uruthu bona mfabona ntate mkwela or I was choosing siyenza kanjalo uthi aqaleke ibandleni acela ama pledge ukuthi abantu abapledge ngemali boma 1000 boma 10000 ukuthi ibandla phela liphele likhona match the community besikiyo because the whole a very decent community wabona uthi abantu bapledge into ibandla lakhe nama I'm pushing to pay up lelo ningithathile I'm pushing to pay up bandla lakhiwa hayi bandla kodwa wakhiwa awushozi vele areka vele material ya kudira into like the Mary iskir Mary wathenga izinto ama instrument wasebandleni like bathu neba like bebanikela enayi behamba vele kodi small business ahamba cela or awushozi becela lo yamuntu to extend ukuthi abantu bebamuphi like nana limathatha hore if akhuluma nga something obulela ka passion and then the next person uqola into ebulelanga and eventually bazwe understand into efunayo then bayamnikeza uthi hayi sharp uthi hayi isikhathi esihambe awushozi ibandla seliphelile ngimtshele ngithi yo Moroti phela asingeke silo sirentile sihlale emafleteni kamu like rena le crack we need to start yesifuna indlu or awushozi no problem athi no you need to when at least apply for in because unal income and then nakita pusha dikoloto tse ka chalete re grand ko krekeng or awushozi ngiqaphele indlu uthi salary ngiholayo like it was very decent angifuna ukukhuluma manga uthi vele bang approve level for indlu awushozi rithole into akhuluma ebandleni hosting indlu in abonge yera lebuga dirapelo thapelo tsalena stuff like that each and every little thing bekayithola bekafika batshele abonge bandleni or awushozi I've never thought ukuthi lo muntu le engiphila naye today lo muntu lo wengiphila naye leso sikhathi ngikhuluma ngaso la indoda izokujikela njengotshwala esiswini ngiyizwa uzokujikela ube ngathi awumazi azange wahlangana naye ahluphekile angana next waba uyomphushayo ukuthi abe la khona today uhlobona ngalo sixela samathomo lesamafelele or awushozi sibe nendlu ibandla likhule ibandla aqala ukuba nama-supporters bophelo bo be balanced man a rena bana ra kgona go balansa dikoloto tsa ko ntlong tsa ko kerekeng kube nemali esalelayo or okay imali mayisala awushozi athi kimi you know what we need to look the part. So in order for ukuthi abantu babelievele kumudimo ke mudimo omtholo asithenge a decent car so apply for koloi so that like gobe mrutu akilo presenter uthi awushozi at we need to look the part kilobona uthi awushozi mina bengithenge indoda yami isikipha 6000 bengithengela amateki 22000 amateki wa 18000 uri bewathenga yini ngemali yami engihola or awushozi that man ngimbuildile or abare batho ke pop the builder kolinga lokugole nna finisher ra kontlong ne gole nna yena nalebeletse dutse ko kerekeng like endlimbe yanganandaba uthi awushozi bengipheka bengicleana bengenza yonke into bengimaniel bengimoshela bengenza show ukuthi uba muhle bengimrespect lo yamuntu bengimoshipa nale mundimo wakhe ara awushozi yabona lamantombazana lawo sisontweni di actually di nama worshiping leaders ukuthi worshiping team la baqhulayo or awushozi banyana balo if banyako jamona batlo muja atano mungathanda zo fast or apele kamalemi arabanyana ba dangerous or awushozi at first I thought ukuthi imagination yam like ayikho lento lengicabanga but angawubona ukuthi into umuntu arifile yona like ke intuition. If ever something you feel, you should know what you no matter what, especially when connecting to one. What else was it? Like being feel with my lamantomazana la lemurudi, like they are so close. You can't influence her life. What you remember me now during the week in 17, during the week in front of son to any by a plane out my asha with this week rapper any this week royets uculo phamasonto amaqulu esontweni Sunday angikho mina ngisem17 ngiyasebenza or awushozi umfundisi started ukujolana lamantombazana esontweni qala ukujola awushozi I think into yawutena uthona le monna uratana le monna ronyala ke monna zang a jumping stage sabo sawujola stick sabo febe athi awushozi lo muntu lo experience ukujola emshadweni enesontweni or lamantombazana bekathandana nawo awushozi to an extent ukuthi ukhona umunye umama like beka umama uqina esontweni owangilanda wangitshela wathi yo mina izinto esenza umfundisi yangimangaza lamantombazana la uhlala nawo lana abanye abaye ekolweni bazalana bahlolana the whole day nomfundisi officeini bayenzana engaka amafundisi officeini uthi ngibuza umfundisi ukuthi kanti lamantombazana la wenzani nawo uthi aqala athi angizwani nabafazi aba insecure abafazi abangasifili like uma mfundisi what more do you want like do you think ukuthi ngayithana lamantombazana or awushozi nekithi or uratana labantu but bengana like physical proof touchable proof engabonakala ukuthi noqebuthwiri bekisinayo or until one time awushozi athana nomunye sis manje sophumile kulamantombazana la uthana nomunye sis or awusona leader go kerekeng bewawuye like o control ukuthi I service sonto ihamba kanjani ko like nawo lena mthwara amarapha kwabotsibotso go kerekeng or awushozi labantu labe bathandana right under my nose ngingaboni uthi lo muntu bekaza kamina emini ngitshela ukuthi mangifika ngithi awusisi intokozo khona la sizoplana yazi mama for weekend kanti abantu bebachilile endlini yami the whole day sixayela ke nina or awushozi one day usisi mina vele ngisemsebenzini uthi kwenze ukuthi ngiba kuma periods yabona angaphathanga izinto and like ne medication yami cause ngihlupha ama pain mangilapho or awushozi ngidecide ukuthi let me go home man ngicela ngithi you know what I'm not feeling well I want to go home or awushozi ngithole mina usisi intokozo asendlini ngibona ukuthi umuntu lo kusemini but ngibona kunama capacity ukuthi lo muntu ufike ekseni but angatholanga like bakhumulile or benza anything ngithole vele bahleli elounge uthi awungibuza ukuthi awusisi intokozo asolobolana namuhla futhi hayi bekunamanye ama documents futhi umfundisi awasayine and I'm still organizing a gospel artist ukuthi esontweni so like we are still finishing ama final details ukuthi swenza kanjani nama payments and stuff or awushozi talking vele ngizwile ngikamreni uthi inhliziyo yami ngitshela ukuthi lo muntu lo nalo muntu lo bayathandana or awushozi lo wona or unyako or linyalo la go lesikafela and umam Ruth sonke everything ibe perfect or awushozi mina indoda yami ngiyithengele izinto expensive or nekiriya show akare kune event kuphi and I need to dress like this or ke tla dira show uthi if inganayo imali ngizoyithatha i-access yami ebank ngisebenzise because of ngifuna ukuthi umfundisi abone ukuthi like he has a supporting wife and stuff like that or awushozi usisi Ntokozo abe pregnant sisu sibe ngaka or ngimangazi ukuthi umuntu lo asangimbona nomuntu ngibuza umfundisi usisi Ntokozo uprekse ubani wona athi wakani ufuna ungena indabeni zabantu basebandleni phuma indabeni ongasazi or the way angiphendule ngakhona that's when ngibona ukuthi lo muntu lo nalo muntu lo bayathandana uthi awushozi one time uyeka ifone yahamba ungene shower nogesi uthi ngithi phone uthi phone ngibona ama conversation or awushozi monna ko sendela ngoyana olepona or na monna kaza nganisendela lepona but khona usendela ngoyana olepona ngoyana unisendela amapona babulela the way they are going to plan their life ngwana afika mina nalo muntu asinamntwana athi akhulume ngami kule ntombazana le angibona everything ku WhatsApp ukuthi ya lo yana ubhizi ubuza ngawo ngakuthi wayena ngazali azobuza ngabantwana abangamfundi phela umntwana ngiwama kusingiwakhe or awusozi bagosipa ngami like direct mfoni uthi ngaka collapse ngalelo langa ngashona angeke ngisashona or awusozi makabuya kushawa thola ngibeka ifone I didn't even ask him any questions ngavele nami ngavuka ngageza ngazela emsebenzini or awusozi iyanja this thing to an extent ukuthi angisakhona manje upretend uthi one time ngamtshela ngathi ngiwabonile ama WhatsApp akho no sisi Ntokozo so it's fine if you want to live lo mshado lo it's fine you can go and go create impilo yakho remember ukuthi I bought the house remember the car that you are driving impahlo ozigcokayo zithengwe yimi so ukhumbule lokho ukuthi nale yandawo ukuthi bekhona it was my hands imali yami so ukhumbule lokho or awushoza umuntu wangishaya ngebhomu athi ungangipha konke but uhloko umphinto engathengwa ingane or awushoza I didn't even believe ukuthi amagama lapho yakumuntu ozibiza ukuthi umfundisi uthi konke ngiyakubona kwenzeke ukuthi ianniversary month age ifike uthi ebandeni ba plan ukuthi bafuna ukusurprise for a weekend away mina noba umfundisi uthi ayibasibhadalela indawo like and then basinikeza imali ukuthi we can book ama flights or we can change but in the accommodation the accommodation philanga thina elisuda because of they know ukuthi mina ngiyasebenza but we basibukele through ebooking.com and then bele bathatha imali bafaka involved ngore asiyagrek kyalena going enjoy anniversary yini awushoze mina status mina mangisibona uthi hayi siyamukele umfundisi ajabula amukele vele ebandleni abonge or awushoze angatshela ukuthi le weekend my husband wahamba wathatha yonke imali wahamba nosisi Ntokozo they went and celebrated labe babukele thina for anniversary yethu or awushozi mina ngibona ama pictures through inisi yakhe uyangisendela uri mama lo ubone hore uyezahala ngimara ku WhatsApp ngithi sesiwenzakalani angithi umuntu ose Cape Town lenthi Ntokozo abashutile okay abangashutanga like izinto ezijampisayo but uhleli phansi ubaphuza icoffee bethu like go restaurant or ubona behind lo wakhe ngoba kugayi uthi bashutile ku Table Mountain or awushozi I didn't know what to say or like kenagana gore everything bebayenzela mina naye but yena he decided to uzothatha le ntombazana le uthi if shay weekend indlule beke ithome or awushozi on Sunday basebandleni basukuthi sihambe kanjani uthi umuntu athi it was nice ngiyabonga abazalwane bekumnandi or awushozi mangima ku pulpit ngithi ngiyokhuluma ngiyobonga uthi inyembezi uthi ngakhala enye into ngakhala bacamba ukuthi ngiphethe umoya or awushozi beke sathora ke moya or phela kaneli so broken or umuntu on betray or awushoza ngakutshela ukuthi masifika endlini yena bekazothi ngikhalelani masifika endlini ngitshela ukuthi if ever uqhema kopela abazalwane uzokhala ngicela ukuthi ungasakhuluma ungasareri sakelo sawuphela be there ube momfundisi othulile from now on mawuyesontweni ngicela ukuthi ukhale step khale phansi uyolukhuluma cause uzo expose izinto ezenzeka la endlini or awushozi kongwala so aketse gore ketse jwang should I continue develop lo muntu lo cause I can see ukuthi ngiyophila impilo yo pretend and I'm tired of pretending nomuntu lona ungenza isilima le ntombazana le iyeza isontweni ngesisu gore a shows a ke tsebe gore ga botse ba ngenzi puppet yabo badlala ngami because they know ukuthi I cannot say anything because of like I'm trying to protect the image ebandla, but I feel like I want to expose this person and I want to divorce him, but I don't know ukuthi ngiqale kanjani and futhi ke na le letswalo gore ke tsebe ke etse jwang, but I just feel like I'm tired of this situation. So Awushozi, please help me. What should I do?